How to charge your Kodak PIXPRO FZ55. Step-by-step battery and USB guide method. 1. Charge inside the camera via USB. Step 1. Power off your camera completely. Step 2. Insert the removable battery into the camera. Step 3. Use the supplied USB cable, Type-C, and plug it into the camera's USB port on the side, a wall charger or powered USB port on your computer. Step 4. The orange LED on the camera should light up, indicating charging. Step 5. When charging is complete, the LED will turn off, and the camera will power off automatically. Method 2. Use an external charger. Step 1. Remove the battery from the camera. Step 2. Slide it into an external charger designed for the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 battery. Step 3. Plug the charger into a wall outlet. Step 4. Charge until the indicator shows it's complete, usually lights off or green.